see, they're coming. Someone is gone.
Well. The Form 4s have designated me and my men here to carry out a very important day in the school calendar.
What is your name?
What's your name?
I have something interesting to tell you about the promotion day. But I promise to tell you if you let me off the hook of the promotion day. Juve, the new boy, he's not circumcised.
Juve!
Pauline, I need your help.
Yes? Young man, you are the count over. What happened again?
I swear I'm going to die.
No, you won't. Let's just go take some rest. We'll figure something out.
Kata! Chinja! 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 But my fellow men, I now declare you a fully promoted man.
Samba!
Do me let us out! Do me! Petrol! Do me let us out, man! Don't do this! Do me! Do me! Do me! Do me! Do me!